This weekend I'm going to Explorer Fest. It's a adventure festival. It's going to be filled with hiking, kayaking, trail running, adventure movies, all that kind of stuff. There's going to be loads of creators there, so it's going to be a really cool, fun weekend, something a little bit different. And for this video, I might do it a little bit more vlog style. I'm not really sure what the camera usage is going to be like at the festival, so I'll see what I can do. But for now, let's get driving. Just a quick stop along the way, pick up some snacks. We've got lots of chips, dips, and just a few goodies to snack along for the festival. There's going to be some movie nights, so yeah, just get all the treats in before we get there. 45 minutes left to get there, so on we go. It's the first day and we just gone on a little hike up to the headland, walking along the beach and then up to the headland with some amazing views. We are kind of like close to the top, it's just like a single track. But yeah, it's been great meeting some new people, so let's carry on. So we've reached the top, the group's actually just gone back down behind me, but look at the view. Look how gorgeous it is. Absolutely amazing. It's the morning of day 2 and I'm going to go off and do a navigation workshop in a minute, and then afterwards I think I'll be doing a trail run and then some yoga, and then also maybe fitting in some kayaking or starting like paddleboarding as well. But yeah, lots of busy things to do today, but excited. Weather's looking absolutely great, so had some breakfast, coffee, and then I'll be heading off. Finishing the navigation challenge and we've got 12 minutes left, and I think we're gonna have to be sprinting back to the finish line.
All right, so we really enjoyed that. Yeah.
So I just finished the trail run and I'm going to be getting in the ice bath, get a cold plunge, get myself recovered. It's the morning of day 3 and it rained last night in the van, so I didn't bother getting up for the sunrise, but I'm pretty excited because I'm going to be doing the Jeep driving now. So it's 7 AM and yeah, no one's really about because it was raining, so yeah, excited to do some four-wheel driving on the sand.
Can you guys hear me on the radio?
Yeah.
I just finished doing the Jeep workshop and it was absolutely sick. Four-wheel driving was so good. Did loads of soft stand driving, did UE at the end. It was wicked. Definitely makes you want to kind of like get a Jeep because they're pretty cool.
That was the end of the weekend. It was so much fun. I actually forgot to record an outro, so I was going for lunch with a few people after the festival, and then I just jumped in the van straight back to Sydney and just completely forgot about it. But it was an awesome weekend. It was great to just be around a bunch of like-minded people, all into kind of adventuring. Everyone had different stories, and I met a lot of other content creators as well. So just talking content with people was really, really fun. This is my first vlog style video, and I learned a lot from it. I learned that I probably didn't talk to the camera enough. To be honest with you, I was a little bit nervous. I haven't done many talking to camera pieces in public before, so mainly I've just been doing it in the house and in the garage. So that was a little bit nerve-wracking, but I know for in the future that it is scary, but I need to probably just put myself out there and talk to a camera a little bit more. But great weekend, really happy with how the video turned out, and I hope it came out like it was fun as well.